Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes.
Angle of friction is denoted as phi. So let us take an example of an object of weight W being subjected to an external force P. The normal reaction is N, the friction is F max. This is the R, whose resolution is F max and N. The angle between the normal reaction to this resultant of F max and N is phi. So this angle between the resultant of frictional force and normal reaction to the normal reaction is the angle of friction phi. So let us try to find this phi. This is R. So this is F max, this is N. We are just drawing the force polygon. This is phi. So tan phi can be written as F max opposite by adjacent. This R is this one divided by N, which is nothing but mu s. So phi is tan inverse of mu s, coefficient of static friction, mu s is. So now let us see what is angle of repose. Angle of repose means if an object is kept on an inclined plane without applying any external force on it, due to its own weight, as the angle of inclination is increased, at some particular angle the object will start sliding downward. So what is that theta, which is the maximum value where the block is still on the same place, means just the impending motion, at the impending motion of the block, the angle of this inclination is called the angle of repose. Let that be say theta. So angle of repose is the maximum angle of inclination of a plane with the horizontal, at which the body that is kept on the inclined plane will just begin to slide down on it without application of any external force. So only under the influence of self weight. So let us see how to find this value theta, that is angle of repose. Let the object be of weight W. Now let us try to draw the FBD of this. Because the inclined plane is at angle theta, normal reaction will be perpendicular to this inclination. Let this be N. And because the object will have an impending motion to slide down the plane, so this will be the direction of impending motion. So the friction will be acting opposite to it, means up on the inclination plane. So it is F max, which is nothing but mu s into N. So because the inclination plane is at theta, so this will be theta. So let this be x. So theta is the angular slope at which the block is about to start sliding. So for the equilibrium condition, or we want to find the maximum value of theta where impending motion happens. So at the impending motion the friction will be maximum, that is F max. So for limiting equilibrium condition, we have sigma fx is equal to 0. X axis is along the inclined plane to us. So let us split W along the plane and perpendicular to plane. So here it will be W cos theta, this will be W sin theta. So let upward be positive and down the slope be negative. So it will be F max minus W sin theta is equal to 0, and F max is nothing but mu s into N. So this is equal to W sin theta. Let this be equation number 1. Now let us see sigma Fy equal to 0. So perpendicular to inclined plane there are only two forces, one is N and the other is W cos theta. So if upward force is positive and down the plane force is negative, then N is positive. N minus W cos theta is equal to 0, or N is equal to W cos theta. Let this be equation 2. So let us substitute 2 in 1, because in 1 we have mu s into N. So in place of N, let us substitute W cos theta. Mu s into W cos theta is equal to W sin theta. We can cancel this W and W, and mu s will become tan theta. But we know that coefficient of static friction is nothing but tan phi, where phi is the angle of friction. So because tan theta is equal to tan phi here, theta is equal to phi, means the angle of repose is nothing but the angle of friction, and theta is independent of the weight of object. And the angle of friction phi is equal to the angle of repose theta.
Thanks for watching. If this video was of help to you, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.